So here we are. We are recording from the train in Hokkaido, Japan. For the sake of travel soul therapy, train travel offers an amazing opportunity of being in a quiet cocoon of your own thinking and get a feeling of your inner world quite intimately. You're on course to encounter the predominant patterns of your thinking, and that's what the travel offers, especially solo travel, to encounter yourself on a much deeper level. If you are afraid of your own thinking, afraid of your typical thoughts, you always reach out for distraction. But here you are, your instruments of distractions are very limited, and therefore you are more than likely presented to or aligned to see yourself really close. And eventually, even the thoughts that you deny or neglect will eventually be encountered and somehow will find a way to be accepted. And that's what we call the healing moment, the healing process. It could be not dramatic, it could be very gentle, smooth, of just overall enlarged perspective, where you see that all the elements of your life and decisions that you made are somehow contributed to the present moment. And this very present moment where you are is quite wonderful, quite loving, quite safe and secure.